Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. I just kind of wanted to get the word out that Bullyan RV is in the truck business, and so I just wanted to show you this nice one owner 2014, and this is a Chevy Silverado 2500, and this has got the Duramax diesel in it. We'll just walk around the outside. We'll show you a little bit of the inside and see what you think. Just a beautiful, clean, nice red Chevy Silverado 2500. Nice running boards, really clean, leather interior. The LTZ, so it has everything. Good floor mats. 6.5 foot box. Camera. Walk around the outside. It's a B&W gooseneck hitch in there. And as you can see, we've got other trucks on hand. You can visit our whole inventory at BullyanRVTruckCenter.com. Well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullyan RV. If you're looking for a late model truck, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and as always, keep on traveling.